Let's talk about the manuals that come with the Pfaff Creative Icon and the warranty that is included with this machine. So first off, your Creative Icon User's Guide is kind of just a brief get you started. We're going to put links below this YouTube video where you can print off or reference the over 200-page user's manual. Now remember, there's all the manual parts built into this machine just by going over to the Home button and go Open Help Center. So this will be where your full user's guide is. You can search for information. There's a lot of details in here. But if you're one to more print off what you want for a user's guide, the link below will get you to that place. Plus, there is the Embroidery Collection printed book. This book is bigger than the first one I just showed you, but it's got all the built-in embroidery designs that come with this machine, plus the sewing information that you need. Now, a lot of these are pictured actual size. If not, they'll say they're like 50% reduced on the picture itself. But you do see that you have a general idea of how big a design is going to be. Now, for the warranty of the Pfaff sewing machines that are embroidery machines and all, you have a 20-year warranty on the machine for anything that was defected made, 5 years on the circuit boards. Let's talk about that for a second. So what you want to do is plug in this machine into a battery backup. That's just going to save everything from going kaput. You never know when a circuit board will go out. It's not that it happens very often. That's why they do cover it for 5 years. Just head back to your local Pfaff retailer and they will take care of it for you. There is a 1-year kind of guarantee on everything from all sorts of moving parts, motors and such, and a 1-year service warranty through the store you bought it from. Now do remember, as sewers, we put a lot through this machine. So things that you might push or pull or do that wasn't supposed to be done, you are going to need to take care of those items on your own. So if you break a needle and it hits the throat plate, or you break a bobbin case, those are things that are just normal wear and tear. So again, if you're unsure what is covered, work with your local Pfaff retailer for all of that information. Plus, just head over to pfaff.com to get your machine registered.